Today we're going to refinish this old snowblower. It's a snowflite 20-inch 2-stroke gas snowblower, and we're going to make it look brand new again. Picked it up from the garage sale for 10 bucks, and let's make it release for 50 bucks. Alright, follow along with me and I'll show you how it's done. Stuff is biodegradable, so I'm not worried about it wrecking the grass. Okay, ball peen hammer, a couple of center punches. You can see here they're flat on the end. If you do a tapered one where it goes to a point, what'll happen is it'll make the cotter pin expand, and it'll make it even harder to get that cotter pin out. So we're going to use the bigger one for now. We're going to bang it flush, and we're going to use a smaller one to push it farther through. Like so, and give it a hit. There we go. So, as you can see, I've hit most of it out. Now I'm going to use a smaller one to drive it the rest of the way through. Hopefully, oh yeah, it'll be good enough. There it is. Cotter pin, or sorry, roll pins, these things are a pain in the ass to get out. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to hit it with some primer, and then we're going to give it another light sand, and then we're going to paint it. So, just give her a quick primer, like so. Alright, so we're using rust paint, and we're going to spray it all. Husqvarna orange. So this is the motor for the snowblower. We're going to tear it all apart, clean it up, put it all back together, and it should be fine. So these are all the parts to this motor. I have them all cleaned, ready to go back together. Good compression in this engine.